Welcome to Peace and Plenty's tutorial for our new branded graphics. So the first thing that we are going to go over today is this email that's right here. You should have all received an email that looks very similar to this, where it explains what our new branded graphics are going to be. So you will have an event checklist, which will have some helpful tips and tricks to set yourself up for success. And you will have some guidelines for how to use these new graphic templates. So if you do not have Canva, you're going to click on this link right here and sign up for free. So you're going to pause this tutorial, sign up, and create a free account. If you've already done that, then we're going to go to the next step. We're going to click on this link right here where it says click on the link below to start. And it should open up in Canva. So we're going to use the template. See this? You have some instructions right here, but we're going to use it. So we are going to sign up or sign in. So this first page, so this first page, you're going to see the guidelines for how to use our templates. One of the most important things to do is to make sure that you don't change the font color, text position, style, because we don't want it to change too much from our brand. So this first page right here is helpful information. Then we're going to go to your branded graphics. So right now we have a fall theme, but it can change and it will change as each season happens. So you're going to click where it says drag and drop image here, click on replace, and we're going to just upload a photo of myself right here. There you go. Now, one of the tips that we can give you is to make sure that you have a well-lit photo of yourself. We ask that you do only a photo of yourself or one of you and your family, but either way, make sure it is well lit. Now, if you double click on it, you can move it, make sure that it's right in position, right there. Click on where it says first name only, hit edit, and all you have to do is type in the information right there. Type in your first name. Same with your business name. Everything else cannot be changed. So we're going to type in my business name, whatever it is. Then if you keep going, you have the giveaway graphic right here. All you're going to do is put in your details. So you could say $25 gift card. Put your first name here. All right. And then your business name. Now, how do we save this? We're going to click on this little square with the arrow pointing up right there, and we're going to hit download. We want to make sure that the file is the PNG that's suggested, and we can download all three. We can just download the giveaway and the welcome graphic. We're going to hit done, hit download, and then as soon as it's done downloading, it will save to your camera roll on an iPhone. Remember, this is a tutorial for your iPhone. Click right here, open it, and you can open it in your files.